Flotation is a mineral processing technique that separates valuable minerals like gold and copper from waste by attaching them to air bubbles, forming a froth that is skimmed off. It improves recovery efficiency, especially for fine and low-grade ores. Eries StackCell high-intensity flotation improves on conventional flotation with faster kinetics and a more compact design. The process begins as slurry enters the first StackCell, mixing intensely with fine bubbles, then flowing sequentially through each cell for progressive mineral recovery. Its flotation kinetics are 5 times faster than conventional cells. Conventional cells dissipate energy over large volumes, reducing turbulence and bubble particle interactions. StackCell focuses energy in a compact, high-shear chamber, generating very fine bubbles around 100 microns and significantly improving fine particle recovery. A unique 2-stage design separates intense particle collection from froth recovery, achieving rapid attachment, higher concentrate grades, and comparable results in 1/3 the time. High-intensity mixing boosts recovery of ultrafine particles smaller than 25 microns, significantly improving the capture of valuable minerals such as gold, copper, nickel, and platinum. The compact vertical 2-stage design substantially reduces flotation circuit footprints, allowing higher throughput per unit volume and lower capital, maintenance, and energy costs. It is versatile and highly effective recovering precious metals, base metals, and specialty minerals across a wide range of applications. StackCell offers multiple models, suited to diverse processing capacities and specific operational requirements. It can be easily retrofitted into brownfield sites to enhance plant performance. And it's also straightforward to install in greenfield sites, requiring minimal space and investment. StackCell, a game changer in low capex, low opex for high efficiency, fine particle recovery.